Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Leafy from Battle for Dream Island. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the shape of the body. Let's start on top and let's draw a curve down and in on the left. And the same thing on the right. Now top and side and let's draw the face. Let's start with 2 ovals for the eyes. And then let's color them both in black. Next, let's hop underneath and let's draw a curve across for the mouth. And then a larger curve underneath like this. And then add a line across the center for the teeth. Next, let's move down and let's draw the arms. Let's draw an angle down on the left and on the right. And then thicken the arms up slightly. Now at the ends, let's draw a rounded square shape for the hands. And color both of these in black. Now top to the bottom and let's draw 2 lines down for the legs. And again, let's thicken these up. Now top up from the bottom and let's draw a curve out and down. And then close off the bottom of each foot. And then color both of the feet in black. And that's it for Leafy. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!